G'day fellow tech enthusiasts, welcome to an exciting journey into the world of AI videos. Today we're diving deep into a fascinating realm where technology meets creativity. Have you heard about this new thing, AI videos? It's blowing my mind. Imagine a world where you can create stunning videos without any prior experience in video editing or production. Sounds incredible, right? It's like magic, turning words and pictures into moving pictures. You simply input your text and images and voila! The AI does all the heavy lifting, transforming your ideas into dynamic visual stories. No need for fancy cameras or editing software, just pure AI wizardry. This technology democratizes video creation, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills. And guess what? There's this awesome tool called Wan2. It's a game changer in the world of AI video creation. With its intuitive interface, even beginners can create professional quality videos in no time. It's open source, which is like finding a free sausage sizzle in the park. Open source means it's free to use, and you can even contribute to its development. It's a community-driven project, constantly evolving with new features and improvements. Wan2 lets you create these AI videos, and it's easier than teaching a kangaroo to play hopscotch. The user-friendly design ensures that you can focus on your creativity without getting bogged down by technical details. Now, normally, this sort of tech needs a computer more powerful than a rocket ship. High-end hardware can be a barrier for many, but don't let that discourage you. But don't worry, we've got a workaround. There's a solution that makes this technology accessible to everyone, regardless of their hardware limitations. It's called Google Colab, and it's about to become your new best mate. Google Colab allows you to run powerful AI models on the cloud, so you don't need a supercomputer at home. It's like having a high-performance workstation at your fingertips without the hefty price tag. With Google Colab, you can collaborate with others, share your projects, and get feedback from a global community. It's an incredible resource for anyone looking to explore the world of AI video creation. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI videos with Wan2 and unleash your creativity. The future of video creation is here, and it's more accessible than ever before. Happy creating! So what's Google Colab? Imagine a free online supercomputer that loves Python as much as I love a good meat pie. That's Colab in a nutshell. You can run all sorts of fancy code on Colab, especially for AI stuff. No need to spend a fortune on a top-of-the-line computer. Colab's got your back. It's like having a personal tech guru who does all the heavy lifting for you. All you need is an internet connection and a thirst for creating awesome AI videos. Ready to jump into the exciting world of AI video generation? Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a curious beginner, this guide will help you get started with ease. First things first, you'll need a Google account. If you already have one, you're ahead of the game. If not, don't worry, creating one is a breeze. It's free and easy to set up. Easier than explaining the rules of Aussie rules football to an American. Just head over to the Google sign-up page, fill in your details, and you're good to go. Once you're logged into your Google account, head over to the wonderful world of Google Colab. Google Colab is a cloud-based platform that allows you to write and execute Python code in your browser, with zero configuration required. Just search for it on Google, and it'll pop up like a kangaroo in a desert. Click on the link, and you'll be taken to the Colab homepage. Now for the main event. We'll be using a ready-to-go Wan2 notebook. This notebook is pre-configured with all the necessary libraries and code snippets to get you started with AI video creation. Think of it as a pre-built Lego set for AI video creation. All the pieces are there, and all you need to do is follow the instructions to put them together. All the instructions and tools are right there, ready to use. The notebook will guide you through each step, from setting up your environment to generating your first AI video. So, buckle up and get ready to dive into the fascinating world of AI video creation with Colab and Wan2. Alright, let's connect our Wan2 notebook to the Colab server. It's like plugging in a microphone before belting out your favorite karaoke tune. Click on the link to the Wan2 notebook, and it'll open right up in Colab. You'll see a bunch of code, but don't worry, you won't need to be a computer whiz to make this work. To use the notebook, you'll need to make a copy of it. Click on File, then save a copy in Drive. It's like making a photocopy of a recipe before you start cooking. Now you've got your own version to play with. Section 5. Setting the stage environment setup. Before we unleash our creative genius, we need to set up the environment. Think of it like prepping your BBQ before throwing on some snags. In the notebook, you'll see a section called Environment Setup. This is where the magic happens. Just click on the play button next to the code and Colab will start setting things up. You'll see some text scrolling by like "Answer to Picnic," but don't worry, it's all part of the process. Once the setup is complete, you're ready to roll. Section 6. Lights, camera, action, generating your video. Now for the fun part, generating your very own AI video. In the notebook, you'll find a section called Video Generation or something similar. This is where you become the Steven Spielberg of AI. You'll see a text box where you can input your prompt. This is where you tell Wan2 what kind of video you want to create. Be as specific or as vague as you like. For example, you could type "a kangaroo wearing sunglasses riding a skateboard on the beach." Let your imagination run wild. Section 7. Fine-tuning your masterpiece settings explained. Now let's talk settings. Just like adjusting the seasoning on your BBQ, these settings let you fine-tune your video. Imagine you're a chef, carefully adding the right amount of salt, pepper, and spices to create the perfect dish. In the same way, these settings allow you to tweak and perfect your video to match your vision. You can change the resolution, making your video crystal clear or a bit more retro. Higher resolution means more detail, sharper images, and a more professional look. On the other hand, a lower resolution can give your video a nostalgic vintage feel, reminiscent of old home movies or classic films. The choice is yours, depending on the mood and style you want to convey. You can also adjust the seed value, which is like adding a pinch of randomness to the mix. This setting can introduce subtle variations, making each frame unique and adding an element of surprise. It's like sprinkling a bit of mystery into your creation, ensuring that no two videos are exactly the same. CFG scale and steps are like controlling the heat of your BBQ. Just as you would adjust the flame to get the perfect sear on your steak, you can tweak these settings to control the intensity and pace of your video. Higher values mean more detail and smoother transitions, but it might take a bit longer to process. It's a balance between quality and time, and finding the right setting can make all the difference. Higher values mean more detail and smoother transitions, but it might take a bit longer. Think of it as slow cooking a meal to perfection. It requires patience, but the end result is worth the wait. Detailed editing and smooth transitions can elevate your video, making it more engaging and visually appealing. And lastly, you can set the number of frames, which determines the length of your video. More frames mean a longer, more detailed video, while fewer frames result in a shorter, more concise piece. It's like deciding how many pages your story will have. Each frame is a moment in time, contributing to the overall narrative. By adjusting the number of frames, you control the pacing and duration of your video, ensuring it aligns with your creative vision. Section 8. Patience is a virtue rendering your video. Once you're happy with your settings, hit the generate button and let Wan2 work its magic. Now comes the hardest part. Waiting. Generating AI videos takes time, kind of like waiting for the perfect tan. But trust me, the results are worth it. You'll see a progress bar showing you how far along the rendering process is. Just sit back, relax, and maybe grab another snack while you wait. Section 9. Unleash your creativity, Wan2's freedom. One of the coolest things about Wan2 is its freedom of expression. Unlike some AI tools, Wan2 doesn't shy away from edgy or controversial topics. Want to make a video about aliens having a tea party with the Prime Minister? Go for it. How about a dinosaur riding a unicycle through the outback? No worries, mate. Wan2 can handle it. This makes Wan2 a powerful tool for artists, filmmakers, and anyone who wants to push the boundaries of creativity. Section 10. From picture to motion, image to video magic. Wait, there's more. Wan2 can also transform your still images into captivating videos. It's like watching your holiday photos come to life. Just upload your image, add a text prompt to guide the animation, and let Wan2 do its thing. You can turn a simple portrait into a talking head video, or make your landscape photos flow like a David Attenborough documentary. Section 11. Wan2. Your gateway to AI video creation. So there you have it, folks. Wan2 V2 and Google Colab are your tickets to the exciting world of AI video generation. It's free, it's fun, and the possibilities are endless. Sure, it might take a bit longer than your average video editing software, but the results are well worth the wait. So what are you waiting for? Jump in and start creating your own AI video masterpieces.